The weird thing about living here is that it always says it's going to rain. It always says it's going to rain. Like all day, all week, and then the rain never comes. It's just hot and muggy. Better rain today. I really wanted to make a rainy vlog, but it's just not happening. We'll see. We'll see. Is it weird to go for a walk in your slippers? I feel like back in England I would not have hesitated to go to the Asda in my pyjamas. You know? Just to get some milk or something. But like, over here, I feel like people would just assume that you're a crazy person. And someone would probably call the cops on you. Mail, mail, mail. Bills, bills, bills. Nothing for me. No mail for Ellie. That's for the best, really. I hate getting mail. Especially when I get mail from England. Ugh. It's always from the bank or student finance. I'm not paying you back, student finance. Get over it. The thing that I love about student finance in England is that every single year they make me put my details in. And they go, oh, you're too poor to pay us back. It's okay, see you again next year. Whereas in America they say, oh, you're too poor to pay us back. So we're just going to add more money to it and you will have to pay us eventually. Sucks to be you guys. If I have a kid, they're just not going to get an education. I've decided for them. You want to be a doctor? Tough. You can work in McDonald's. You get a trade job. Education is for idiots. Where's the rain? Where's the rain? It's supposed to be raining. They promised me rain. The garden is kind of wild. Everything's overgrown. This is where we dumped some oil. Didn't quite realize that was gonna happen. This is the tree that died. There's another tree that died. Man, I'm sleepy. I've been trying to like limit myself to 2 cups of coffee a day. I don't think I can make it through this day. I'm gonna have to have coffee number 3. Just got that Sunday feeling. Gotta go back to work tomorrow. So exciting news. Annoying. Exciting news that we found somewhere to live. Woohoo! We decided to hold off on getting a house for now. And we're just gonna rent for a little bit longer. Which is fun. I'm actually just really excited to have our own space again. I like living here, but we're just ready to have our own place. And I'm really excited to go furniture shopping. That's how you know you're old, you get really excited to buy a couch. So yeah, we're gonna go to IKEA. IKEA is a magical place. I think I've pretty much come to the conclusion it's not going to rain. Which is exactly what I said would happen. I looked at the weather and it said, instead of raining all day, it's going to rain at like 10 tonight. Which will change again, and it'll say, it's going to rain at 4 AM. And then it'll change again, and it'll say, it's going to rain tomorrow. And then tomorrow it won't rain. So, whatever. So yeah, life looks pretty good. I don't hate my job. That's nice. Probably a first for me. Yeah, life seems pretty good. Sorry, I know the birds are loud. and we get some coffee and we're gonna go for a walk. I actually have like a lot of ideas for things that I want to film. Sorry. I have a lot of ideas for things that I want to film. But I kind of need a little more space to do them. So when we move, I really feel like I've got a lot of things that I want to film and I'm really excited to do. But for now it's just going to be vlogs, which is fine. Okay, anyway, I'm going to go drink a cup of coffee and then I'm going to go for a walk and I'm going to come home and just chill for a bit. I'm going to try really hard not to fall asleep because I don't want to waste what's left of the weekend. Okay, catch you guys later. Bye bye. There's no rain yet, but if you look very carefully, there is a bun. Correction, there's actually 2 buns. Bunny has a girlfriend. I'm gonna open the door. Oh, it did something really cute. He's having a wash. Ah, it's so cute. Oh. Shut up, Manul. I genuinely do not know what these plants are. They just appeared. Like, the closest thing I can think of is a sunflower. But I don't know. They're massive. I don't know what they are. Look at that stalk. He's a girthy boy. And yeah, this is the patch of weeds. Oh well. Also, it's still not raining.
The next day.
It's raining. What is that? Is that a frog? Is that a frog? It's raining.
The beautiful sights of Highway I-35 South. What's it like? Well, there's rain. What else?
There's traffic. People
Traffic.
crash.
Oh,
Whoa.
and there's accidents.
It finally happened. Oh, I can see the bun. Go to your burrow. It is not safe. It is thundering. It is lightning. It is very, very frightening. We're also on a tornado watch, which is cool and fun. It's looking a bit yellow.